Managing a field service business can quickly become chaotic without the right tools. From scheduling jobs and managing customer data to handling invoicing and tracking assets, efficiency is critical. Commusoft is a comprehensive field service management platform built to streamline operations for plumbers, HVAC companies, electricians, and other service professionals. In this video, we will walk you through the key features of Commusoft, how to use them effectively, and why it's a strong choice for field service businesses in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the job scheduling and dispatching. You can easily schedule jobs with a drag and drop calendar and assign them to technicians based on location, availability, and skill set. This reduces scheduling errors and ensures timely service by matching the right technician to each job. Another key feature is the customer and asset management. You can store all customer information, service history, and asset data in one place. This includes appliances or systems installed at the property. This improves service quality and technician preparedness, helping build stronger customer relationships. Another key feature is the invoicing and payments. You can generate professional invoices from completed jobs and accept online payments. Integration with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero streamlines financial tracking. This speeds up billing cycles, reduces paperwork, and helps you get paid faster. Another key feature is the real-time mobile app. Technicians use the mobile app to receive job details, complete digital forms, upload photos, and capture signatures while on site. This keeps the office and field teams in sync, eliminates paperwork, and improves job documentation. So why is Commusoft a great choice? Commusoft is built specifically for field service businesses with tools designed to reduce admin work and boost team productivity. It scales well from small operations to growing businesses and supports customization for various workflows. The platform is cloud-based and mobile-friendly, making it easy for teams to operate on the go. Its strong reporting tools, customer portal, and integrations with key platforms add even more value, helping business owners stay in control of every aspect of their service delivery. So basically, Commusoft gives you the power to manage your field service operations from end to end. With streamlined scheduling, customer management, invoicing, and mobile tools, you can deliver better service, faster billing, and smoother operations. So, whether you're just getting started or ready to upgrade your current system, Commusoft helps you take full control of your field service business in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.